What's going on, guys? Rashard D here with Double O Level, and we're going to be taking a look at this really cool case by Rebel. This is going to be a nice, sleek case for your iPhone 16 Pro. So let's open this up so we can take a look at it. All right, so once I open this up, you see the case right here. It feels really, really nice. Let's get this out of here. All right, so this is the way the case looks. It has this nice black, almost carbon fiber-like finish. It's real soft to the touch. It's like a matte satin type finish. You can see that it has a nice bevel raise on the lenses here, and it has some nice grip to it. Let's go ahead and see what else is in here. So they do provide you with nice protection for your glass. It's awesome. And they also provide you with a cleaning kit so you can put your glass on. If you look closely in there, you see the logos from Rebel. You get this nice microfiber inside. You have this nice grippy texture on the outside. You also have metal buttons for your buttons. There's a cutout for your access to your touch camera. On the corners, it's going to be raised a little bit, and this is going to give you extra safety for drop protection. Now, the camera bevel is removable. It's really cool. You can upgrade this to different colors if you wanted to match the style of your phone. So this outer bevel right here, it's removable. So that's just a cool little quirky feature that they have. And let's get the iPhone into this case. So what I like to do is put the buttons in first. And then we're going to press down on the corners. Boom, snaps in really easy, nice and solid. And you can see right there the carbon fiber design pattern on there. And you can see how much that is raised above the lenses to give you protection. That is really, really nice. And your charging port is nice and big. So this is one feature that I like when companies get right on their cases, because these charging cables sometimes can be really large on the ends, and it makes it really hard to actually put the cable in there. So that's a nice touch. And another nice feature is that this is MagSafe. So wireless charging, no problem. This case has everything that you'll need, from drop protection to your screen protector to protecting your camera lenses. It has it all on here. This is definitely going to be on the premium level of cases. If you're looking for a case that is nice and stylish, has a modern look to it, and also protects your phone like it's supposed to, then you may want to give this case by Rebel a try. Well, guys, this is going to be the iPhone 16 Pro case from Rebel. Hopefully the information that I gave you helps make your decision. If you have any questions, comments, you can leave them in the comment section if it's available. Other than that, I'm Rashard D with Double O Level, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.